Hi there, students. To saturate, saturated. Okay, if something is saturated, it can't absorb any more. The system is saturated. It's completely full. No more can be added. So our world is saturated with advertising. The phone lines are saturated, and I think they're probably going to crash. They won't take any more calls. The market is saturated with products, and the price is falling rapidly because supply is much greater than demand. Okay, so saturated, full, unable to hold any more, to contain any more. We also use this word saturated to mean very, very wet. So I went for a walk and I didn't take an umbrella, and I'm absolutely saturated because it poured with rain. Okay, so saturated, very, very, very wet. Yeah, the drainage in this area is not very good, and the ground is completely saturated. Yeah, it's completely full of water. It just won't take any more. In chemistry, saturated, you start dissolving something in a liquid and it gets to a point where it won't dissolve anymore. Saturated. You could have saturated fats or unsaturated fats. This is to do with the bonds. Yeah, and saturated or unsaturated, there are double bonds, so you can add more hydrogen to it. Okay, so saturated, soaked, full of water. I the washing machine sprang a leak, sprung, and everything, the carpet is completely saturated. The market is saturated. It won't take any more. Yeah, it can't absorb any more. Okay, so formality, saturated. Yeah, I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, comes from Latin saturatus, from saturare, to fill till it's full, from satur, to fill. Okay, so saturate. Maybe you're saturated by the number of videos I produce. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Saturate, saturated.